So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I'm very sorry for not uploading any video from such a long time. Actually, it was my exams and I was preparing for it, so I was not able to make any videos and I was so busy nowadays. So today we are going to make an clay art. Actually, I just wanted to show you all that how much time do it takes to make a clay art and how do I make it. So today I am going to make an avocado slime and I'm going to make it in pink color. And tell me who all don't know that avocado also are available in pink colors, like there are. And even I'm going to show you a picture in it on the video. So yeah, and my shape has been made, as you all can see it. I'm just fixing it a little bit. So yeah, and first it was looking like a sponge, but now it is like it has gotten shape of avocado, but now also it is looking like a beauty sponge. Like I just want to apply some foundation. Okay, so this is done. Let's keep it aside. And now I have taken this dark pink color for the seed of the avocado, and this is too big. Let's make one more circle. Okay, done. I just spoiled it from there. Don't worry, I'm just going to fix it by the hole in the inside, so don't worry about it. And yeah, I'm just making a big hole with my fingers. Hope you all can see it clearly. Here it is. Okay, I think it's too big for the avocado. Let's make it a bit smaller. Okay, let's just round and round and round. Okay, so it's done. I'm just going to fix it a little bit, and yeah, it's done. Let me just put it over it, and I'm just going to fix it very nicely so that it doesn't looks like popped out circle. It should look like half is inside and half is out. And I'm just going to fix it all, and doesn't it looks cute? But I am going to do so many things after this too. But let me first show you some magic. Do you all want to see it? Like, if you all don't want to see it, then also I will show it to you. So yeah, here's the magic. Completely a fail. This time it will pass for sure. Yay, done. Don't worry, it was just a transition. And yeah, and now I'm just taking some pictures for thumbnail. And do check my other videos too, and bye bye.